Today, we're going to talk about why some strong grant proposals still get declined. Here's the hard truth. Strong grant proposals fail to get funded all the time, not because they're weak, but because they can be misaligned with what the reviewers are actually looking for. Point number 1, alignment versus excellence. Funders aren't just looking for good grant programs, they're looking for programs that clearly show a good, tight fit with their funding priorities. When your objectives, metrics, and stories don't match theirs very strongly, they can see risk. So a perfect program out of alignment with the funders' programs or other programs can become invisible quickly to them. Point number 2, hidden inconsistencies. So sometimes the gap in a grant proposal isn't immediately obvious. Maybe your budget outcomes tell a slightly different story than your goals, or your narrative hints at dependency on a single funding source or a lack of funding or a deficit. So reviewers do pick up on these small inconsistencies more than you realize. Point number 3, the emotional read, the emotional temperature. So funders, grant reviewers, they do read beyond words. They're reading your organization's energy and presence. If your proposal feels rushed, desperate, or unclear, it can trigger skepticism. So no matter how strong your program might be, good grants can get declined. It happens all the time. Small inconsistencies can create doubts, and funders read your energy, not just your words. Recognizing why strong grant proposals can get declined is very helpful. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it clearly, consistently, and intentionally. That's exactly what the DIY grant packages on my website help you do. They align your ideas and present them confidently. So check it out. The link is in the description, hancockbcs.com, and happy grant writing.